Welcome to Grandpa Grammar's Fruits and Vegetables in English. The names of popular fruits in English. Apple, apple. Watermelon, watermelon. Orange, orange. Pear, pear. Strawberry, strawberry. Grape, grape. Plum, plum. Mango, mango. Blueberry, blueberry. Papaya, papaya. Apricot, apricot. Mandarin, mandarin. Banana, banana. Grapefruit, grapefruit. Lemon, lemon. Lime, lime. Pineapple, pineapple. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Melon, melon. Coconut, coconut. Avocado, avocado. Peach, peach. Kiwi, kiwi. Black currant, black currant. Blackberry, blackberry. Cherry, cherry. Fig, fig. Lychee or lychee. Nectarine, nectarine. Passion fruit, passion fruit. Raspberry, raspberry. Tangerine, tangerine. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Mulberry, mulberry. Starfruit, starfruit. Guava, guava. Pomelo, pomelo. Cranberry, cranberry. Tamarillo, tamarillo. Soursop, soursop. Melon cantaloupe, cantaloupe. Durian, durian. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Rose apple, rose apple. Star apple, star apple. Tamarind, tamarind. Persimmon, persimmon. And mangosteen, mangosteen. If you want to learn to speak better English fast, you're in the right place. Grandpa Grammar's English Workshop is exactly the program you need. You can improve your English. You can speak better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop, you can speak better English quickly. You can speak excellent English. English is a bridge to open up the world to you. Better English is the key career success with better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop. Click the link in the description to find out more. Better English now. Popular vegetables in English. Yellow onion, yellow onion. Red onion, red onion. Garlic, garlic. Carrot, carrot. Red cabbage, red cabbage. White cabbage, white cabbage. Radish, radish. Eggplant, eggplant. Mushroom, mushroom. Artichoke, artichoke. Corn, corn. Broccoli, broccoli. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Celery, celery, red chili, red chili, green chili, green chili, sweet potato, sweet potato, asparagus, asparagus, pumpkin, pumpkin, fennel, fennel, spring onion, spring onion, turnip, turnip, lettuce, lettuce, and zucchini, zucchini, a Brussels sprout, Brussels sprouts, tomato, tomato, potato, potato, pea, pea, spinach, spinach, beet, beet, bell pepper, bell pepper, leek, leek, ginger, ginger, squash, squash, cilantro, cilantro, and Napa cabbage, Napa cabbage. Well, that's a list of popular fruits and vegetables in English, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, if you want to improve your English language skills fast, check Grandpa Grammar's English speaking workshop in the description. Thank you.